Stephen Tim nipa wo ho and ye ka asem wie no honorable Ken Wenkantro ka kire Stephen Tim nipa no ho ne say.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Honorable Kwame Asari Oben, please come closer. I have a message for you from the party's grassroots, MPP party's grassroots. We've come across several of your videos. You've made certain damning statements about Justin Kodia, who happens to be secretary, national secretary of MPP, and other allegations. And I believe, sir, it's not right that for us to sit down and watch you demean our leaders in such a manner. In fact, and says some of us, many of our people, young men, are not happy with the national leadership of the party. But party has rules and regulations as to how we go about our displeasure. Congress, but now when we go to Congress, we are going to make our voice heard and resoundingly to let them know, we are not happy with them. But that notwithstanding, it does not give the room for any non-entity, or anybody at all to also have the audacity to come and say, spew whatever they want on social media because they have following. And now, some of us were even thinking, now that you have been privileged and conferred with them, or go and be their member of parliament, you will reduce some of those things. You see, politics is not like a live television show on UTV. You like going to sit every Saturday to rant to. That is not politics. Politics is serious business. It goes beyond what you feel like and what you like saying or what you feel like doing. It goes way beyond that. There's a reason for which some of the members of the parliament, of our parliament, are called honorable members, because we expect a certain level of charisma and self-control from them. And it's for that reason, that you yourself, you went for a haircut. And yes, sir, because the haircut you had before then was not befitting of an MP. So you knew very well that the changes have to be made. Now, you Kwame A plus where you are as an independent candidate, before you are able to have a caucus in parliament, you should be at least 7. Is that not so? You are not up to 7 independent candidates. So you need MPP more than MPP needs you. Kwame A plus, you need MPP more than MPP needs you. And so even, let's agree, MPP approached you to strike a deal with you. You should be happy, because ideally, you have to approach MPP. Ideally, you have to approach MPP. Because we are already minority caucus. We have our caucus over 88 people. And we have expertise in parliament. We know how to make our voice, how to make people hear our voice. We know how to launch attacks on the majority side. The minority caucus leader is an MPP member, Honorable Markins. So we have established routes and we know the way out. But you are a fresh baby. You are coming in as an independent candidate.
Stephen Tim nipa wo ho and ye ka asem wie no honorable Ken Wenkantro ka kire Stephen Tim nipa no ho ne say oka ka kire chairman say me friend me nya no ba me ne A+ aka asem ni nyina ewie into who could be and who to me kwatran like I say, and the party as who ye general secretary of the party co-position, go and sit down somewhere. I am the MP elect for Gumwa Central. You are the general secretary of a party that has collapsed. You are irrelevant and they are going to vote against you. Your political career has come to an end. Go and sit down somewhere. Ghana no one can be. You are a weak general secretary. You are a failed general secretary. Justin Kodia, I'm telling you, you are a failed general secretary. You failed the party. Oba party now omo parliamentarians bebre wo de omo co-opposition. Anye ye John Boy crowd you win one term. Em a party na answer tu no. You are a failed general secretary, and it is alleged that you demanded something before you joined the campaign. Me na neje ye madam for. I will start talking matters. Nane J is my very good friend. The last time that we were like, when we feel I know you don't talk. Could you raise your voice? But we problem. What I say? Nane J is my very good friend. On the national security, as many issue. I was the one who was standing behind him. Me na me den the call Captain Smart. Can the Japan the friend the claim say mean castle. Nane J so you I know you. When Nane J didn't come say what catch me. I'm telling you. So go and sit down. Don't bring yourself because me speedy. I will do things that you don't want. You don't want anybody to hear. Shut up and go and sit down somewhere. I am a member of parliament. You are a nobody.
And you know very well, Kwame implies that if you go and add yourself to NDC side, you won't gain anything. You won't gain absolutely anything because NDC have already the majority they need. So they don't need UA plus to be relevant. If UA plus you go and add yourself to NDC majority, it is just going to be an excess in futility. And so A plus, you need MPP more than MPP needs you. And you rather should be humble. You should come down, get down from your high horse. Because, look, joining MPP will give you a voice. Joining MPP will also give you the chance to be on committees because committees are going to be formed with the majority and minority caucus. If you go and join NDC, the chance of you being on committees is very low. And trust me, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, is not going to give you any appointment because already there's a fight in his party. They have so much large numbers in parliament that he doesn't even know who is going to appoint, who is going to disappoint. So UA plus, if you go and add yourself to it, no appointment for you. And you might not even get a chance to chair any committee at parliament level because you are a new baby, you are not coming to learn. And we all know, say, UA plus, you are going to be a one-term MP. Just one election they voted for you. You want to drag the high repute of MPP into disdain. And they also say, Japan came to meet you. First, you can say, opinion marking was part of the meeting. After the opinion marking was not part of the meeting. The national chairman's representative. Mention the name of the whoever was the representative of the national chairman that came to meet you A plus. Who is it? That the person was calling and talking with national chairman. And then, so what? Like you see, we in Ghana, yet tolerating Yamabia, that should not even be accepted in public domain, right? You won an election. I will say, okay, Japan is the one who saved you. You were about to go to jail, and then, and so we should do you what? You should know your level. You should know your level. You won an election. Congratulations to you, but you should know your level. Don't launch attacks on MPP. Because we are a solid force. You cannot, like, we are like a brick wall. We are like a brick wall. Go and read about the West Germany wall, the Great Wall of Germany. We are solidified. That's how hard we are. Concrete wall. You cannot break through us. Internally, now as MPP, we can be fighting, internal fightings, but once you touch any of us, you touch all of us. And that is it. So this is an advice, a friendly one, a friendly caution, A plus. Because if you come back and repeat the same thing, if you come with street language, we will meet you with street language. If you come professionally, we will come with you professionally. If you come legally, we will come with you legally. Enough of all this nonsense. Aden, are you the first independent candidate to win an election in Ghana? You're not the first. You are not the first. Are you the first TV commentator to win an election in Ghana? You are not the first. Because Yopon Nkrumah was a journalist. He did more than what you are doing. Onokra, he is going to find somewhere to sit. Now, every Saturday you go around on United Showbiz, NTD. You are lucky your faith is not the same as Baba Sadiq. And Kawu plus Ghana will be too small for you. Ghana, it will be too small for you. The way you like boasting, Ghana will be too small for you. But we have learnt our lesson. We are going to do our homework at Gomwa Central. And let's see if you are able to maintain the seat in 2028. Obi also your presidential ambition. I'm sorry, you can't even keep secrets. You can't keep secrets. You so much have grandiose delusion Grandiose delusion. You see yourself as almighty, all powerful, A+, all must bow. Obi also presidential ambition, no. We are all in this country. We shall see if it will lead you anywhere. This has been your favorite episode of The Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Cheers.